Meet Harry from Hopeton. As a dad, he's a seasoned driver, running his family around in the wind and heavy rain, because sometimes family can't wait.
Just as well, because right now, I've got a very important trip. There's a simple way of staying safe when it's blowing a gale and raining cats and dogs. Don't drive unless you have to. If you do have to, then don't rush. Allow yourself plenty of time. Turn on your lights, drive slowly, and allow plenty of braking space between you and the vehicle in front. Wet conditions mean it's going to take you a lot longer to come to a stop. In wind, watch for falling debris and trees. Keep your speed slow and safe. Check the Regional Roads Victoria and Vic Traffic websites before you leave. And listen to the radio in the car for road closure and traffic information. Take advice from a seasoned driver and make sure you stay safe in wet and wild conditions. Oh, careful, darling.